that. Can you stand there? You're so cute.
Here, I sit this. I sit.
Come on up. There's room.
Oh.
Order a ride while you're
You're so adorable. I want one.
The Russian boxes are 10 grand. Yeah.
But those boxes can shoot hunters.
That was a wild Russian fox.
That one looks like a Keyshawn.
Oh, they're so cute.
You guys have a good view of our male polar bear sleeping in the mulch back there too. It's hard to miss 1,100 pounds. Huh? He's having a good day today.
Sorry. You should ask that guy who'd win in a fight, Snake Eyes or Batman. That is so cool. I've never actually seen him out before.
The foxes at the Woodland Park Zoo, the last 3 times I went, they weren't out.
Yeah. Did you ever go to the Point Defiance Zoo?
No.
It's pretty cool.
Is it? I like the Woodland Park Zoo. It's a good zoo.
I'm not sure we went to that one. We went to a couple I was up there, but parents are moving back here next week, so I don't have to go back anymore.
Moving?
Yeah, they keep up. They hate Shelton because it's a hellhole.
That's hilarious.
Yeah. Yeah, they're moving to Oceanside. I'm like, don't you go. Please go back to Orange County.
Alright, I think that's probably enough video.